Welcome to the TestoGreens review. TestoGreens is a daily supplement that caters to the balance of superfoods that men need to reduce estrogen and balance their hormones. The formula is strictly vegan, and users can subscribe to receive monthly shipments for consistent consumption. What is TestoGreens? Supporting the body with superfoods is no new concept. Superfoods are rich in antioxidants, purging free radicals from the body in a safe and healthy way. Without these toxins, consumers feel energized, healthy, and revived. Most supplements that offer superfoods target women, which means that ingredients may be included that balance estrogen. Men need superfood support as well, so the creators at Live Anabolic developed a superfood supplement called TestoGreens that limits their estrogen levels instead. The purpose of TestoGreens is to provide men with the greens that often are found in general supplements, but it is balanced to specifically work for men who want to support testosterone as well. This formula metabolizes estrogen that builds up in their body with age, but eliminating it can help them to retain their sex drive, energy, and more. The greens drink is incredibly appetizing, but it also mixes well to ensure that the beverage is smooth without clumps, which is common in lower quality drinks. Part of the reason that TestoGreens has earned so much notoriety in the industry is due to its formulation by doctors. Plenty of supplement brands have a marketing team or a research team, but doctors add a sense of legitimacy that other options don't. With support for energy, hormone balance, and burning through estrogen. What's in TestoGreens? TestoGreens provides users with over 50 ingredients, amplifying the antioxidant effects that naturally come from fruits, vegetables, and more. All of these ingredients can be condensed into 5 main blends: superfood, antioxidant, and mushroom blend, natural herbs and extracts, prebiotic fiber and digestive enzyme complex, probiotic blend, essential vitamins and minerals. Even with the plentiful ingredients available, consumers will be pleasantly surprised by the lack of flavor. The creators intentionally keep the flavor neutral so users can add it to any recipe that could work for them. Read on below to learn more about these different ingredient blends that support the body. Superfood, antioxidant, and mushroom blend. This first blend is a combination of alfalfa leaf, which may lower cholesterol and balance blood sugar levels; spinach, which can prevent cancer and support weight loss; spirulina, which can reduce inflammation and maintain the health of the immune system; beets, which manages the user's high blood pressure; celery, which improves digestion and alkalizes the stomach; kale, which is rich with vitamin A for better eye and bone health; cauliflower, which is high in fiber and helps with weight loss; coconut, which promotes better immunity and reduces inflammation; pomegranate, which supports healthy health and improves urinary health; blueberry, which are one of the best sources of antioxidants of any superfood; cranberry, which can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections; cherry, which improves recovery after a workout and reduces the severity of arthritis; camu, which is high in vitamin C; reishi mushrooms, which improve the effects of white blood cells; shiitake mushrooms, which reduce the risk of prostate cancer and reduce blood cholesterol levels; maitake mushrooms, which supports cardiovascular function. In total, there are 34 different fruits, mushrooms, and vegetables. Though it is possible to consume all of these ingredients in the diet, the concentrated amounts of each of these ingredients provides a much more powerful effect than adding them into the diet alone. Natural herbs and extracts. The extracts included in this formula include turmeric root, which supports the joints and reduces inflammation; green tea leaf, which is rich with antioxidants and supports a healthier metabolism; cinnamon bark, which can reduce high blood sugar; ginger root, which can reduce anxiety and nausea; ashwagandha root, to relieve stress and promote better sleep at night; Korean ginseng root, which promotes alertness and reduces the risk of erectile dysfunction. Overall, there are 11 herbs and extracts included for the user. These blends help users to improve energy levels, balance the hormones, and provide overall support for the user's health. Prebiotic fiber and digestive enzyme complex. Prebiotic fiber is necessary for the balance in the gut. Though probiotics offer support for natural bacteria growth, prebiotics are used to feed the bacteria and keep them alive. Fiber also helps to maintain regular bowel movements and reduce the appetite, inherently creating a caloric deficit that helps with weight loss. Digestive enzymes help users to reduce gas, supporting the absorption of all of the ingredients to make the remedy more effective. Probiotic blend. Probiotics are a type of bacteria that naturally supports gut health, which means that it also improves the immune system. Probiotics make it easier for the gut to absorb the nutrients of the foods that consumers regularly eat. The TestoGreens supplement includes 2.5 billion CFUs, ensuring that users get more support from their current diet and from this supplement. Essential vitamins and minerals. To top off this remedy, consumers will get all of the vitamins and minerals that they need from a typical multivitamin or their balanced diet. Zinc, iron, and other nutrients are crucial to the maintenance of the body, but the concentration found in TestoGreens makes it easier to support these needs. Purchase options for TestoGreens. Anyone ready to make a purchase will have their choice of two methods: subscribing or submitting a one-time transaction via official website. While users are not limited to one transaction with the latter, subscribing eliminates the need to keep submitting orders when their supply runs low. If the user chooses to make a single purchase, they have their choice of 3 packages: 1 bottle, $59, 3 bottles, $147, or 6 bottles, $234. Buying more bottles in the same transaction reduces the total cost of each one. However, if customers want to save the most money on their order, they should opt to subscribe. Subscribing to regular shipments has one disadvantage: users can only get a 1-month supply. However, with this singular jar, users save 15% on the purchase, bringing down the monthly cost from $59 to $49.95. If the user finds that this remedy is not the right option for them, they have up to 365 days to get a full refund. Summary: TestoGreens provides men with a way to improve testosterone levels and reduce estrogen with superfoods. The remedy is available as a powder that has no flavor, easily mixing into any drink that the user is already going to have. It mixes smoothly, and it has already helped thousands of men to naturally regain their hormonal balance.